But look, Marshall's in yellow slime. Hi guys, we have some super fun surprises in all of these cups.
Hi little Earthlings, it's me, Marty the Martian. I am so excited to see what are in these cups. So let's see what's in them.
Okay, let's get started then. Woo! Let's start on our first cup. Our first cup is all about Chase. And Chase wears blue. Ready to see what's inside? Ooh, look what came out. Ooh, there's all this slime first. Let's try to get this slime out. There, I think we got most of the slime off this Chase. This is our Wobble Chase. Let's watch him. He can't fall down. Wow! What happens when we spin him? Whoa! He spins sideways. That one's really fun. Now let's see about this Chase. This is just a mini little Chase. That's really fun. So Chase likes to wear blue. You can see they both have their blue cop hat on and their blue tags. So there's our first surprise with all of our blue slime. Wow! Okay, should we open up the next cup? Let's see. This cup has Marshall in it. Marshall. What color does Marshall wear? Marshall wears red. So let's see in here. Ooh, we found Marshall. But look, Marshall's in yellow slime. Come on, Marshall, get out of the slime. We want to see you. That slime's getting all over me now. There we go. There's our Marshall. Marshall's wearing red. Let's spin this Weeble Wobble. And look who we're getting. Here's our little tiny Marshall. Whoop! See, they're both wearing red. They have their fire truck hats on and everything. Whoops, there's some slime. There we go. And let's set them by Chase. And now let's put away all of this yellow slime. Okay, let's do our next one. This one has Rubble in it. And Rubble wears yellow. So let's see what's in here. Whoa, that wasn't slime. They're all Orbeez. Look, we got Orbeez. Look how fun these are, and they're super bouncy. Okay, let's see what our surprises are. We got our little Rubble and our Weeble Wobble Rubble. Weeble Wobble. They're both wearing yellow hats and their yellow tags. They're so cute. Boop. Okay, now let's do our next cup. This cup is all about Rocky. It's green. Rocky wears green. So let's see what's in here. Wow, what? This one had gumballs in it. There we go. And this one had our little Rocky and our big Weeble Wobble Rocky. And they're both wearing their green hats. Okay, let's do our next cup. This cup has Skye. And Skye likes to wear pink. Oh, looks like this one had slime in it again. Let's get Skye out of that slime. There we go. Here's our Weeble Wobble Skye. Let's spin her. Oh, she knocked down Rocky. Now we gotta get our little Skye out of the slime. There we go. Now we have our little Skye. And they're both wearing their flying goggles that are pink. And their pink tags. Now let's put our pink slime away. And we have our very last cup, which has Zuma in it. Zuma wears orange. Ooh, and Zuma gets the green slime. There we go. There's our Weeble Wobble Zuma. And then let's see what's about this little Zuma. There's our little Zuma. They're both wearing orange helmets and orange tags. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And put our green slime away. And that's all of our surprises in our slime cups, which had Gumballs and Orbeez. That was fun.
That was so fun, you guys. Now, let's see what's going to happen next.
Zim, zam, shabam! What is that? I think Marty gave you a special present for cleaning so fast. Hi, Skye. Hi, Rebel. It looks like your house is a little dirty. It looks like you're gonna have to do some cleaning.
Hello, little Earthlings. It's me, Marty the Martian. And Paw Patrol need to clean their house so they can have friends over. Let me get you some washcloths, you guys. Zim, zam, shabam.
There we go. Here's some wipies for our Paw Patrol. Okay, start cleaning. Let's start with our dining table. Gotta get all of these crazy marks off. Everything was so dirty. There, look. Now the table's clean as new. Now let's do the kitchen, Skye. Okay, let's do the kitchen. So we need to do the floor right here, all clean. Big spot over here. And now on the table. There, it looks like you got the kitchen all cleaned up, Skye. Good job. Now we need to do the bedroom and the bathroom. I can help. Okay, Rebel. Let's first clean the sheets. Look, there's stuff everywhere. There, that got all cleaned. Clean bedroom. Now let's clean the bathroom. Look, there's a mark right here on the floor. There's some in the shower. Now what about on this seat right here? Can we wipe that off? There we go, it's coming off. Very good. Okay, now let's do the bedroom, Skye. Okay, I'm on it. All right, let's clean off the bed and this dresser and the ceiling. There, now that's all clean. Now the last thing you need to clean is the living room. All right, Rebel, here we go. There, look how clean everything is. You guys did such a good job cleaning. Now I think you're going to be able to have friends over. Woohoo! Oh, just wait though. Zim, zam, shabam. What is that? I think Marty gave you a special present for cleaning so fast. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, it's a race car. Watch this. Whoa! Whoa! Here we go. This is so fun. Woo! Okay, you guys. Now let's sit down for dinner. Okay, are we going to have some friends over? Yep, here's Chase over. Woohoo! And we have Zuma and Marshall, and Rocky, and Tracker. Okay, let's play some music, you guys.
This music makes me want to dance.
This is fun. Look, let's dance, Skye.
Come dance with me.
That's some funny music, you guys. Okay, it looks like that's all of the cleaning and playing we're gonna do today.
That's it for this story, you guys. Now, let's see what's going to happen next. Hi, guys. Subscribe for more adventures with me, Marty. Zim Zam Shabam. Oh, look, here's some videos you can watch. It's going to be super fun.